Hi, we continue with our tutorial on array here, and now suppose that if you want to make some advanced manipulation, you want to display all elements within this array here. What we are going to make use is making use of for loop here, and write integer equal to 0, then integer less than 5 here, which is the dimension of the array. Then I plus plus. Now we can write, just in order to display different elements within this array here, we can just write I, and maybe display right some spaces. Yep, that is it. And now if we run it, we should be able to display all the elements within 5 elements within our array. So look, integer I equal to 0. Now if you run it, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 that are being displayed. These are the elements of our array. We may even perform some mathematical operation like multiplying whatever we have by 100 here, and if you run it, you can see that we are having 100, 200 and blah blah blah. And so we may even go further and remove these initializations here, and then write another for loop that will initialize our array. So under each iteration here, we want to initialize it to I times 1000, and now you want to display the result here. So if we run it here, you can see we have 0 times 1000, 0, 1 times 1000, and this one you have this 5 element within our array that have been displayed. So, and if we keep this 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 here and run it now what is happen is that the initialization will be overwritten. Now if you run it, you see that the latest element that have been assigned here will be printed at the end. The previous initialized value have been overwritten. So in this way, using a for loop or any type of loop, we can access different elements of our array. So that is it. Stay tuned for the next tutorial on array. Ciao.